Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of a binomial distribution. And a binomial distribution is one of the discrete distributions, meaning it's got probabilities for x equals a number and another number, but nothing in between no numbers. Probability equals 0 for in between two numbers, only for exact values. And here the thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for k successes. We're going to have repetitive Bernoulli trials. If you remember, Bernoulli trial is just a success or a failure, a 0 or a 1. And we're going to look out of n observations for k successes, whatever we're looking for the success to be. We will be given that probability of success separately and asked to find out of 10 what is the probability that 3 get whatever we're talking about, knowing the probability of whatever we're talking about. And that's a binomial distribution, okay? Knowing the condition and when to use it is very important. So again, we're looking for a success out of a subset from a larger set. And we're looking for this subset to get this desired event, whatever it is. So your study group, for instance, and let's say the probability of getting an A on your first stat exam was a 0.5. Then out of your 9 people in your study group, what's the probability that 4 of them got an A? That's a binomial. 4 successes out of 9 total observations. Okay? So, this is the formula you're going to use. And choose K. That's the way you read this. And choose K. And if you remember your combinations formula, it's n factorial over k factorial n minus k factorial, where k is going to be the subset. Okay. So in my example, 9 study group members, and 4 of them got an A. K would be your 4. Okay. And let's say the probability was 0.3 for getting an A. So that would be your P. And 4 people we wanted to know getting the A. So it would be 0.3 raised to the 4. And then 1 minus 0.3 would be 0.7 for Q raised to the number left. So 5 students left. Okay? So again, this is the probability of your success raised to the number of people that succeed times the complement raised to the number of people left. All right? So, n again is the total number of people in the group. K is the subset of that group that has the success event that we're looking for with a given probability P that should be given to you. P is the probability of the desired event. And Q is the complement, 1 minus P. So again, it's going to be the combination formula over here times the probability raised to the people that got the successful event times the complement raised to the leftover people. This formula is for exact probabilities. So if you want the 4 people, you use this formula. Okay? If you want up until 4 people, so if you want 4 or less people got an A, that would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And actually 0 as well, right? So you would have to do a separate formula for K being 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you would have to plug in the different values here and add them all up. Okay? That can be time consuming, so there are binomial tables that are cumulative. So if you were to look it up on n equals 9, and you would go to the column where it said 4, I believe, people got an A with a probability of 0.2, then you could find out what it is. And that would be for 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, given that it's a CDF, a cumulative distribution table. Okay. Some of the tables aren't cumulative. Make sure you check to see it is a CDF table when you're looking at them. But that's basically it for binomial distribution. Again, we're looking at Bernoulli trials, success or failure, 0 or 1. And we're looking out of a larger group, k number of successes, knowing the probability. And finally, you can calculate the mean and the variance for binomial distribution. To calculate the mean, it's just a product of the number of observations total times the probability. And to calculate the variance, that's just going to be n times p times a complement of p, q. So n times p and q is 1 minus p. All right? Okay. Check out the example videos for you to clarify any further confusion or any doubts that you might have. Most importantly, practice, practice, practice as always. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.